On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don meet Edo NUT as im believe say dem go gather solve all the matter wey dey ground. On top small katakata wey be dey ground between Edo Universal Basic Education Board and executives of Edo State Chapter of Nigerian Union of Journalists until September 2nd resumption date wey dem don put for ground. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don meet with teachers make dem for fit solve the issue wey dey ground and im follow dem do dis meeting for Government House for Benin City. National Union of Teachers Executives don tell their union members say make dem no resume first term of 2019 and 2020 academic session for September 2nd, 2019 because of the katakata wey dem get with Edo Subeb. When the meeting don finish, Chairman of Edo State Chapter of NUT, Okwolegbe Pius, talk say the meeting go well as governor don talk on top the matter, and by Thursday, August 29, 2019, dem go call for big meeting wey members of their union go dey there so that dem go fit chook mouth put inside the gbege wey dey ground, and na after the big meeting na dem go come know whether dem go resume for September 2nd or dem no go resume. Edo State government don throw body put on top revamp of basic education sector, and dem do dis one through 7,000 teachers wey dem train with information communication technology tools so that dem go fit dey teach well for class. With dis teachers training, Edo State government don still put body on top how dem go take change the face of primary schools for Edo State, and dem dey do dis one with reconstruction of 520 primary schools for Edo. Edo State Chapter of NUT don do ogbonge work on top the plans and ideas wey Edo State government dey do on top education reforms for the state, as dem dey give better support and dem dey call their members to come put body for all this training wey dey shele, as this one don help make class matter for children, make it dem for the go well for the children dem. Na here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Governor Godwin Obaseki don do meeting with Edo State Chapter of Nigerian Union of Teachers, as im believe say dem go gather solve all the katakata wey dey for ground. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey reach una so na T-Live Media na im carry am dey come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel on top T-Live Media TV. Make una comment and like all our videos. Make una still follow us for Facebook on top T-Live Media. And una fit still log on to www.tlivemedia.com to dey get more ogbonge tori.